The first exercise is the cat-cow exercise, aimed at overall spinal flexibility. It involves performing two synchronized movements. One of pelvic anteversion, that is, anterior pelvic tilt. Bring it in line, tilt your pelvis forward, tuck your tailbone, and raise your cervical spine. The other movement involves rounding your back to create kyphosis and ticking your chin down, thus flexing your cervical spine. It's quite simple. You can do this several times for 30 seconds. The second exercise is the Muslim exercise, in which we will separate the knees. It's a movement quite similar to what Arabs do when praying to Muhammad. To do this, tuck your tailbone inward, bend your knees properly, and lean your hands forward. Take a breath in and release. You can also reverse this exercise for 20 to 30 seconds. The third exercise. Lie on your back and bend one knee. This exercise is effective for stretching the iliacus psoas muscle. Perform it with one leg, then the other. One leg will always be tighter than the other, so focus a little more on the tighter side. The fourth exercise is the pyramid stretch. Imagine you fixed your knee as in the previous exercise, but with your other hand. Guide your foot towards your shoulder in that direction. A variation of this exercise could involve the leg. It's quite straightforward. The fourth exercise transitions into spinal flexibility. Gently stretch your leg and arm. As you can see, it's a stretch that crosses the muscles diagonally, which we relax afterwards. You can also perform this on the other side. This way, we stretch the muscles diagonally. Highly recommended for your back. Another spinal flexibility exercise is similar, but with flexed knees, keeping your body resting on the mat this time. Bring your knees to one side and then the other. Another exercise, as we near the end, is meant to strengthen the glutes and quadriceps. We're talking about this exercise. Lift and lower. You can accompany it with a knee extension on one leg, and then the other. To conclude the exercises, we have two toning exercises. One of them involves lifting the opposite leg, the leg and the arm simultaneously. In this way, we do several repetitions, holding up for about 3 seconds. Lastly, we have an exercise for the spinal muscles. Place your hands at the back of your neck and slightly lift. These exercises are designed to strengthen the spinal muscles. Lastly, another exercise for the abdominal belt. In the abdominal belt exercise, simply place your hands on your chest and gently engage your core, while at the same time slightly lifting. You can perform this with bent or extended knees. Slightly bent knees. Don't lift beyond this range, as it could be detrimental to the lumbar spine, and engage your core at the same time.